So watching your favorite YouTube creators video, you see this subscribe, comment and share button on my screen. You see it always popping up on their videos. So that's what I'm going to be teaching in today's tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Precious Kings. If this is your first time tuning into my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to my old subscribers and my returning viewers, thank you so much. I love you. You have a special place in my heart. I love you so much. So guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create this YouTube subscribe, like, share and comment icon you're seeing on my screen. I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to create it yourself and how you can be able to add the sounds that will just attract people to your video while watching your video. This sound is going to attract them to okay, I'm supposed to subscribe, I'm supposed to like, I'm supposed to share. So I'm going to be teaching you that. So trust me, you do not want to skip this video. Okay guys, let's dive in. So guys, for you to be able to create that, the first thing you have to do is to go over to your browser. I use Google Chrome, and then I'm going to search for YouTube subscribe button animation. I'm just going to input it over here. So as you can see, I've inputted YouTube subscribe button animation free download. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for it here now. So once I search for it, I'm going to tap on this first one. So now once I tap on it, it's going to give me this interface. Now I'm going to pick out whichever one I would like to use. Okay, anyone. As you can see, there are diverse animations I could use. Okay, so I'm going to go for this. So once I tap on it, this is what I have. Immediately I was aborted. Okay, let's go back. We just have to look for something that we can be able to download. So okay, let's use this one. Let's see if we can be able to download this. Let's see. Now this has played. This is what we have. But I want something that has like, share and subscribe as well. So let's just still search for it. So I finally saw this one. This one has like, surprise and subscribe and turning on the notification bell. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this download option here, and I'm going to download it. As you can see, it's downloading. So it has finally downloaded. Downloading, file downloaded. Once I tap on open, I'm going to see it here. Now this is what it looks like. Let's play. Now this is what it looks like. Now as you can see, it has these colors, and when making our video we do not want it to have this color. So now we're going to head over to CapCut and do the remaining edits. You do not want to skip this video, guys. So now on the CapCut app, we're going to tap on new project, and we're going to import this animation we downloaded. Now once we add it, we're going to tap on it and scroll through the options we have down below and tap on remove BG. Once we tap on remove BG, we're going to tap on chroma key and move the cursor to the green, because we don't want that color showing on our video. Now once it's removed, we have it in black. So now the next thing to do is to add the sound. So we're going to still scroll through the options we have and tap on audio. Now once we tap on audio, we're going to scroll through and tap on sound fix. Now we're going to look for this sound. We're going to be using this swish whoosh sound. We're going to be using it. We're going to add it and play it. So that's what it's going to be. So for this list, we need the click sound. For this like, we need the click sound. So now once I get where the cursor clicked on it, I'm going to still go back to the sound fix and tap on this click mouse click, and I'm going to add it to this part of the video. As you can see, I'm just going to add it over to this part of the video. Now once I've added it, I'm basically going to add it to all the parts where I have the cursor moving to click. So I'm going to add the mouse click sound to this click on subscribe as well. So I'm going to add it, as you can see. Yeah, now for this bell, notification bell, I'm still going to add the click sound. So I'm still going to tap on the click sound and I'm still going to add it. Now the bell is supposed to make a ding sound as well, so I'm going to add the ding sound it as well. That's same from the sound fix. Yes, so now this is what we have. Yeah, so I'm going to delete these excesses. Yes, so now this is what we have. Yeah, so that's basically how to add the sound. Then you can now go ahead and export your video. Yeah, so now once you've exported your video, the next thing you have to do now is to just add it to whichever video you want to use. So I tap on add project, import this video. This is the video I want to use, so I'm going to import it. This video was taken in landscape mode, so I have to resize it. So I'm going to tap on aspect ratio, and then I'm going to use the ratio, the YouTube ratio, which is 16:9. So I'm going to use my fingers to resize it. Now for me to add that video, all I have to do is to go back and tap on overlay. Now I've resized my video, as you can see. Then I want to import my subscribe icon. Then the only thing I have to do is to search for where I added subscribe on where I said subscribe on my video, tap on add overlay and still tap on remove BG and tap on chroma key. Yeah, tap on remove BG, tap on chroma key and bring it down to the black. Yes, I don't want that black background to show on my video. So now it is out, as you can see. Subscribe, comment. Yeah, it is out of the video right now. So that's basically how to do it. Then you can just place it wherever you want to place it, probably where you said like, share, comment and subscribe on your video. You could resize it and place it wherever you want to place it. So yeah guys, that's basically how to do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys.